Sustainable reptile care, a complete guide for eco-conscious keepers. As reptile keeping continues to grow in popularity, so does the responsibility to care not just for our animals, but also for the environment. While reptiles themselves can have a lower ecological impact than traditional pets in some areas, like diet and waste, the way we house, feed, and care for them often relies heavily on disposable materials, high energy consumption, and non-renewable resources. This guide will walk you through how to create a more sustainable reptile care routine, from eco-friendly enclosures and substrates to green feeding strategies and energy-efficient heating solutions. Why sustainability matters in reptile keeping. Most reptile habitats are filled with plastic decor, single-use products, chemically treated substrates, and require 24/7 heating or lighting. While all of this is done with the pet's health in mind, it can quietly lead to a significant environmental footprint. Tons of plastic waste from accessories and packaging. High energy usage from heat lamps, UVB bulbs, and thermostats. Short lifespan equipment contributing to electronic waste. Habitat accessories made from non-renewable or unethical sources. By adopting more sustainable methods, reptile owners can not only reduce their carbon footprint but often save money, create more naturalistic habitats, and improve animal health. 1. Eco-friendly enclosures and materials. A. Terrariums and enclosures. Glass and PVC enclosures are common, but there are more sustainable options. Repurposed aquariums or cabinets can be upcycled into bioactive terrariums. Bamboo or wood-framed enclosures, sealed safely, use renewable materials. Always choose long-lasting builds to reduce waste over time. If you're upgrading, sell or donate your old enclosures to keep them in use. B. Natural decor and heights. Instead of plastic caves and artificial plants, use bamboo hides, corkbark, untreated driftwood, or local stones. Foraging decor from nature, after sterilizing, is cost-effective and safe. Avoid chemically treated wood or painted plastics. This doesn't just reduce plastic, it creates a more enriching, realistic habitat for your reptile. 2. Sustainable substrate choices. Substrate is one of the most replaced items in reptile care, and often, it's synthetic or landfill-bound. Top eco-friendly substrates. Coconut coir, biodegradable, renewable, and great for humidity. Organic topsoil plus sand mix, perfect for bioactive setups, ensure chemical-free. Cypress mulch, long-lasting and naturally pest repellent. Leaf litter, collect and bake leaves from pesticide-free yards. Avoid dyed sands, pine/cedar shavings, or heavily processed substrates. Tip: compost old substrates when safe to do so, especially with plant-based bioactive mixes. 3. Bioactive terrariums, the ultimate green setup. A bioactive terrarium includes live plants, a drainage layer, and a cleanup crew, like springtails or isopods, that break down waste. It reduces substrate changes, less waste. Creates a self-regulating ecosystem. Mimics natural environments. Requires less cleaning over time. Use natural soil mixes, real logs, and native plants where possible to avoid the carbon footprint of cheap decor. 4. Feeding the green way. Feeding reptiles can be wasteful: plastic insect tubs, frozen rodent packaging, and food that spoils quickly. Here's how to make it more sustainable. A. Grow your own greens. For herbivorous species like iguanas or tortoises, start a reptile-safe garden. Dandelion, collard greens, nasturtium, hibiscus, and squash are great. Use compost to reduce fertilizer waste. Grow indoors using vertical gardening or pots for apartment spaces. B. Breed your own feeders. Raising feeder insects like dubia roaches, crickets, or black soldier fly larvae at home cuts down on transport emissions. Reduces plastic packaging. Gives you control over nutrition and cleanliness. See it by bulk or from local breeders. Purchase frozen feeders in bulk to reduce shipments. Support local or ethical breeders who use sustainable practices. Avoid overpackaged freeze-dried or pelleted foods unless necessary. D. Compost leftovers. Uneaten greens or expired insects can be composted rather than tossed in the trash, if not treated with supplements or medication. 5. Reduce, reuse, recycle in habitat care. Cleaning habits. Switch to reusable cleaning cloths instead of paper towels. Use natural cleaners like vinegar plus water or lemon oil for cleaning glass. Reuse spray bottles and storage tops for long-term organization. Accessory reuse. Repurpose old decor, turn a cracked hide into a planter or a feeder ledge. Clean and reuse water bowls or branches for different setups. Rehome old items instead of tossing them. Recycle packaging. Choose products with recyclable or compostable packaging. Buy from brands that ship plastic-free or offer minimal packaging. 6. Energy-efficient heating and lighting. Reptile setups often require consistent heat and light, which can be a major energy drain. Use timers and thermostats. Programmable timers reduce accidental energy waste. Thermostats ensure heating elements are only on when necessary. Smart plugs can help you monitor energy usage remotely. Choose efficient equipment. LED UVB bulbs are now emerging as a lower power option. Use ceramic heat emitters efficiently with dimmers. Insulate enclosures using foam board or reflectors to trap heat. Maximize natural light and heat. If climate and species permit. Let sunlight filter in during the day, filtered through windows, never direct for glass tanks. House sun-loving reptiles in conservatories or sunny rooms. 7. Support sustainable brands and communities. When you do buy gear, choose companies that use biodegradable materials or packaging, offer recyclable shipping supplies, are transparent about sourcing and labor, run small batch or handmade operations. Platforms like Etsy, small herpetology startups, or local expos often carry eco-friendly options unavailable in chain pet stores. You can also engage with Facebook groups, forums, and Reddit communities that focus on sustainable or bioactive reptile care, learning from and sharing with others, building better habitats. 8. Educate and advocate. The best way to expand sustainable reptile care is to educate others. Start a blog, YouTube channel, or Instagram showing eco-friendly setups. Post your DIY tips, sustainable finds, and product swaps. Join discussions in reptile communities and encourage greener choices. As interest grows, the demand will push more companies and creators to offer sustainable products for reptile owners. Conclusion: better for pets, better for the planet. Caring for reptiles can be incredibly rewarding, but it shouldn't come at the planet's expense. By choosing reusable, natural materials, optimizing your energy use, and reducing waste wherever possible, you can create a thriving, beautiful habitat for your pet and help protect the environment they would live in naturally. Whether you're keeping a leopard gecko, ball python, or bearded dragon, sustainability is possible, and it often leads to more enriching, cost-effective, and ethical reptile care in the long run.